In this video, I'll show you how to send a mass email in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the top, simply click on Create. Now, once you click on Create, head over to the left-hand side, click on Email, and from here, you can choose to send a mass email by a regular email, a plain text, a multivariate, or a template. We will choose a regular email. On the right-hand side, we will set the internal name as a mass campaign. You can name this however you want it to be. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Begin. Now, that will take you to the preview of your campaign, but before everything, you need to start from a template. Now, in here, you can choose a fully designed. That will show you all of the design templates. On all of the design templates, it will look exactly like this. Let's say you want to apply an email template. So from here, hover your mouse on a template and then click on Apply. Now, once you click on Apply, it will take you to the builder of your campaign. In here, as you can see, you can change the text as well as everything that is in it. You can also add buttons as well as links in order for you to add or to make it clickable within your audience. And once you're done, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on Save and Exit. That will take you back to the preview, and to send the mass email, head over to the To section. From here, you want to select the exact audience where you want to send this mass campaign to. So on the Send To section, in here you can choose Pasted Contacts. This is a single select, meaning you can add your audience, but specifically, you want to add those who you want to target. So let's say on the Pasted Contacts, you want to add one email, so just simply add that. On the pre-built segments, in here you can add new subscribers, engage, disengage for 3 months, as well as female. You can also do your segments if you have one, as well as send them onto tags. Now on tags, we have here the audience. So it will have a specific audience per tag, let's say demo. Once you click on demo and send to, you can also set a tag or a segment to exclude. In here, you can add segment or tags to exclude these contacts whenever you want to send a mass email. So at the bottom, if you click on Save, it will automatically calculate the recipient count. And once it's done, as you can see, we are going to send this campaign to 12 recipients. Now, the next step is to add from. Now, from, you can change the name as well as your email address. And at the bottom, this will be the subject. Now, it is essential to add a subject, but you can leave the preview text as blank. On the subject line, we will set this as welcome. And on the preview text, we can leave this as blank, or you can add one. This is what it will appear in the box or in the inbox after the subject line. Or you can also use AI to generate the subject line and the preview text options. So at the bottom, if we click on Save, it will automatically save the subject. Now we need to add a send time. So when should we send this email and follow up? From here, you can send a schedule. This means that you can set a date, or what you can also do is send this email now. Now, if you click on Send Now, in here, it will automatically send the email as soon as you click on Send. But on Schedule, you can set a delivery date as well as a time. And for the time, you can send when the recipients are most likely to open or send at a specific time. Once you have chosen your send time, at the bottom, click on Save. And once you're ready to send your mass email, at the top bar, head over to the right-hand side, click on Send Now. Or what you can also do before you send is to send a test email. So from here, I will just simply click on Send. It will open this pop-up. At the bottom, click on Send Now. And it will automatically take your email and send it to a queue in order for it to send. And as you can see, we have successfully sent a mass email. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.